Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Samsung TV without remote. It is also called a soft reset. There would be no data loss, no accounts password deleted. Why you need this? If you have the problem of Netflix not working, it is giving you problems not opening or stuck on Netflix logo or other problems. If you have YouTube not working on your Samsung Smart TV, and if your TV stucks on the boot logo, then you are on the right video. I will show you how to reset without remote. First step is to unplug the TV from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on TV for 20 seconds. Power button may be located under, side or on the back of your TV. It depends upon the model. After 20 seconds, release the power button. Now plug back and power on the TV again and check whether it's work or not. In case of any query, ask in comment section. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.